बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़्तह अलीना हिकमतक वंशुर अलीना रहमतक या ज़ल जलाली वल इकराम अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अस्अलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी बदनी अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी समई अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी बसरी ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता सुब्हानका इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़ ज़ालिमीन. Okay ji, now I'm trying again because I have cleared everything, but when I watch that, okay, I haven't recorded the session, so you know my feeling. Okay, now let's get back to the work quickly. After login successfully in a Century account, you will find this interface. This is the main interface, and it's written over here, my path. You need to click here, my course. When you click on my course, it will take some time and it will load this interface. Now first of all, I'm going to find out the mathematics class 5 nugget. So it's in front of me, term 2. Your teacher has provided you these nuggets list on the WhatsApp group, so you need to download that and you need to find it from there. So I'm in front of me right now, I have mathematics class 5 term 2 nuggets. So click on class mathematics class 5, click here. Okay, now what I want to do, converting seconds, minutes and hours, and I will use its code. Where I will place that code, I will place that code over here in the search bar. Click here and then enter the code PM 7.4, yes, 7.14, and it will appear over here. Can you see this? Okay, now click on it and it will redirect you to the next window where you will find the tutorial, and after watching that tutorial, after learning that specific skill, it will take you for the quiz. It's very easy, it's very interesting. Okay, this one is already asking for please go there on the quiz, because actually I was working on that, so that's why it's directly take me to the quiz. So how many seconds are there in a minute? So it's obviously 60 seconds in 1 minute, but let me take you the main page. So by clicking here, converting minutes to seconds, so its guide will appear over here, guidance. The example is over here. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 2 minute 120 seconds, 3 minute carries 180 seconds. Okay, so what's the question? Liam wanted to boil his eggs in 3 minutes. 3 minutes mean, look here, 180 seconds. Okay, how long should he boil his egg for in seconds? So convert 3 minutes into what? Into seconds. So I got here 180 seconds. This is the process over here. In 1 minute we have 60 seconds, 3 minutes, so 60 multiply 3, you will get 180. It's over here. Then click on next and it will jump to the next part over here. That's how you will solve this question, and when you click on the next one, after learning that, it will take you to the quiz. So when I will click here, it will ask submit answer. Let me click on submit. Okay, no, I'm not going to click on submit because you need to work on Fatima. Okay, now let me go back again. Now I'm going to set another specific nugget. Let me try the science one. Where is science one? Science. I have opened my WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, now Miss Hira shared the science nugget over here. So let me find it's science class 5 term 1. Okay, no, term 1. I'm looking for term 2. Okay, for example, I have this term 2, term 1 nugget over here. So let me click here. For example, I'm going to watch the nugget related to vibration. Okay, let's watch this, very interesting. Here is class science class 3 till 6. Click on it. Now vibrations, how we hear, volume, pitch. So let me find the vibration over here. Click here in the search bar and type PS 10.01. Obvious 1. It will appear over here. All the nuggets will appear. If I don't write 1, Can you see here how we hear sound, pitch? These all are mentioned over here in front of in my documents, isn't it? Okay, now let me click on vibration. Without spaces you need to write that code. Okay, let's see what we have here in vibration. It's very interesting. I'm also learning. I'm very excited. So let me click on this video.
Vibrations.
Vibrations.
In this nugget, we're going to identify
In
how
this
sounds
nugget,
are made,
we're going to
associating some
identify
of
how
them
sounds
with
are
something
made,
vibrating.
associating some of them
The
with
keywords to
something
look out for
vibrating.
are vibration
The
and
keywords to
sound.
look out for are vibration and sound.
Vibrations. What is a sound?
Vibrations. What is a sound?
A sound is a wave, like ripples on a pond.
A sound is a wave,
Our ears
like ripples
detect
on a
these
pond.
waves, and we call
Our
this
ears
hearing.
detect these
Yes,
waves,
beta.
Sounds
and we
caused
call
by
this
vibrations.
hearing.
All that. Yes.
Sounds caused by vibrations.
Excellent.
Vibrations
Okay,
when things
now
move back and forth repeatedly.
let's suppose I have
If I
watched
do
this
this
very
tuning fork,
carefully. Now let me click next, then it will jump to the question, what is sound? Sound is a vibration. Sound is how loud or quiet something is. Sound is how high or low pitch something is. Sound is a vibration. Sound. Yes, let me try this. Let me go for this one. Maybe. Yeah. Yes, I got it. Right answer. Okay, sorry beta, I solved one. Okay, now let me go back, click on my course here. So let's find which one. Okay, science nugget done. Okay, sorry, now let me go for English, primary English. Okay ji, English class 5 nugget. Okay, which one, which introduction to characters? Yes, introduction to characters. Where is English? Where is English? This is grammar part. Okay, English class 5 nugget. English नहीं है यहाँ पे. Not here. Okay, let me check if I'm able to find it over here. मैं कहीं पे क्लिक कर देता हूँ इंग्लिश में. वो इज इंग्लिश. ओके मैं let me try over here. Okay, let me click here and let me find introduction to character. Let me write PR 5 point PR 5 point. Yes, introduction to character. I got it. Okay ji, I got it. You need to read this and then work out on character, emotions. Again, have a go. Moving over here. Yes, think about how a character may act if they are very sad, excited and shocked. Very excited. Yes! We did it! Okay ji. Okay, thank you very much. In case you have any question or query, you can comment in my channel and I will get back to you. Allah Hafiz, take care and stay blessed.